Hello friend, welcome all of you in my new video at my YouTube channel Education, Travel and Tech. So today we will discuss about lean manufacturing. We all are working professionals and we are like always discussing about this lean manufacturing, that we have to work in the lean way. So what you guys think is, what is actually the lean for you? Uh, is it about minimizing the waste, maximizing the value, or the building a culture of continuous improvements? So in this video we will learn about how is lean manufacturing working and how it is creating value to the customers. So lean manufacturing is all about finding the waste in our processes and then capture it, or we can say that map it, and then further we have to manage this waste. There may be some waste which are value added, some are non value added, and further there are some non value added but necessary wastes are in the system. So this core concept is all about the finding out the waste. We know about some terminology like Timwood, Wimport, 7 types of wastage, Muda, Mura, Muri. All we are working upon this. So this is presentation is all about the core principles and the benefits of the lean. In further, in my next video, I will took one of the lean tools, and then we will discuss. Also, before moving into the next video, I would like to ask you guys, what will be the first lean tool you have to use when will you start the lean manufacturing at your line or at your workplace where are you working, and can we use these lean tools at the workplace, not only the shop floor but in the office areas also. These are the some starting the basic work tools over for lean is the 5S, just in time, Kaizen, and this value stream mapping. So please comment me in the comment section and tell me before we are moving into the next video. In the next video we will discuss about the lean manufacturing tools and techniques, how to implement the lean in manufacturing, and which will be the first tool we will start with at the shop floor and the office area. The questions which I ask you guys, please ask me, please share your answer in the comment section. I will put both these questions in the comment section, and so that we can start this engaging session with each other. I have experience of almost 25 years in the working in the industrial industry area. I have worked with the various departments, so I would like to share my knowledge with you guys. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, so that at the time the video is over there, you can immediately have this bell icon over there, or in the bell symbol. Thank you very much guys for stay with me and keep watching my YouTube videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.